Hey everyone, it's your girl Aneta the creator, and if you haven't done so yet, you should hit that like and subscribe button if you'd like to see more content like this. In today's video, I will be prepping my hair for my starter locks. And to prep my hair, I'm doing a Okra and Aloe Vera hair mask. I'm doing this hair mask because my scalp is normally dry and irritated. So I'd like to do a hair mask that will soothe, calm my scalp, and will also strengthen my hair for this journey, because this is a long journey that I'd like to have a healthy scalp for. This won't be the only time I do this hair mask along this journey. I'll be doing it multiple times just to kind of keep the hydration, since my hair has always been dry. So I want to make sure that they stay moisturized. Alright you guys, so I'm going to go ahead and start applying this slimy Okra Aloe Vera hair mask to my hair. So I went ahead and changed my shirt into a dirty shirt because I'm doing laundry. And yeah, I changed it to something dirty so that I don't have to worry about it right now. Okay. So I already detangled my hair and put it into 6 big chunky twists so I can, distribute it with every twist. So we're gonna start on the left side because I always start on the left side. If you have gloves, wear gloves. Fortunately, I don't have gloves, so better. Lord, this sounds like armpits and bam. My knees on the floor. Next twist. Smells so bad. Alright guys, change of scenery because the bathroom was way too steamy, so reveal. My hair feels extremely soft